Hello. Did you know that there are different ways to get the most from your project's budget instead of just searching for the cheapest subcontractors or cheapest materials, which will ultimately impact on the finish? At FENIX Contractors, we have the solutions to help you without compromising on your job's quality. Have you heard of raised access floor restoration? We understand that fitting a brand new raised access floor can be very costly and time consuming. Instead, we can help you make massive savings by restoring your old raised access floor by removing the old adhesive from your floor panels without having to remove the access floor panels themselves. We will leave your floor free of adhesive and dirt and ready to receive a new layer of your chosen flooring, which will give you confidence when you provide a client's warranty. If you or your client needs more time to reassess the project budget or isn't ready to decide on a new layer of flooring, we can also give you the option of choosing a polishing service instead, which will allow you more time to decide on the right floor layering when you are ready. Many interior designers prefer the metal-looking finished floor to suit the modern generation's taste, which will be very appealing. You can be confident when choosing our services as we are fully insured, health and safety compliant, and our staff are professionally trained. Your satisfaction is paramount to us. Call us today so we can help you with the best possible solution to suit your project.